that bad. There's no way I should be live though. If I'm live already, that's insane. I went live from here. I didn't go live from with the multiple platforms. We should have a message pretty quick. I guess I can just right. Let's just look. That's hilarious. I am live. I'm live on YouTube. Well, there we go. Okay, so you hit the button on restream and you're live. Here's a message. Yo, there we go. Wow. Twitch, YouTube, and that D live, but that Twitter thing. There was a thing to go live on Twitter. I'm like, is that even a thing? You can go live on Twitter? What is wrong with my upload speed? Well, you can't. Let's just go ahead and exit out of a few. It is weird. It's only allowing a certain number of upload speed. Okay, I'm kind of keeping an eye on the Dinglaren Grishuk situation. I'm guessing they're on a break. Do they have a timer? I don't know. I see no messages here, so I guess what we can do. Although I don't expect people to just be on YouTube. Mute this. Because it's not like we stream from here time, right? Yeah, there's no questions here. Last time I came live here, Mr. Keytron was instant. It's almost like he had It's almost like he had It's almost like he had notifications set, folks. Yeah, man. We could turn some music on. And we could just go in a game like the old days, man. It looks like we got nobody watching Instagram. Okay, good. Yep. That was a notification. I guess you can't see that, and that's probably a good thing. Can I keep this up in case they start playing? I don't know if I can, because then if I start another instance of this game. So it's a trip, man. It's a trip. Oh, does Restream want me to stream at a higher bit rate? Because I can. Thing is, starting over seems really awkward. Starting over seems awkward, and I'll tell you why. Because I'm on so many different platforms. Starting over is crazy. It says 2 watching. Started. That's probably like me restreaming myself and watching myself or something, right? Me connected to Twitch, me connected to YouTube or something weird. Yeah. So I almost kind of want to start over with a higher bit rate, but I guess I could look at it. I can't hear it, but I'm looking at YouTube. Do I look like a million? Oh. Is it choppy? Guys. Little glitchy getting to Facebook today. And it's because of that. I just gotta know here, what would that be? Yeah. Now live on your channel. Cool. Okay, well, YouTube is definitely there. If anyone's on YouTube, you could say hello and tell me where you're from. I'm just gonna play a game and start talking. Although I almost feel like since there's not a ton of people watching right now, it should be like dialing in, right? Bitrate is out of recommendations. Please select bitrate of less than 4K. Really? Less than 4K. Okay. I guess that we should then. Lewis or Lewd Antics. Lewd Antics, as I tell you. Lewd, do I know you? It appears that you're on YouTube. Hi. Here's you're watching on YouTube. Yeah, man. I went live. I should be live on YouTube. Oh, I was gonna check Twitch. Twitch should be open, and I think. How does it look for you, Lewd Antics? Louis Farrell. Dude, that's what I thought. Isn't that funny? I saw the LEW and I knew it was you, Louis. How does it look? Is it kind of choppy? Yeah, I know who you are. I know who you are, Louis Farrell. Thank you for that. Is it kind of choppy? If I gotta end it and reset my my bit rate, I will. It's like I'm over. My bit rate is too high for restream, which is weird. It won't let me go to 5K. It's like freaking out. That was my play on the username. Yeah, love it. Seems good to you. Cool. And how did you find me here on YouTube? Did you you went and subscribed to the YouTube channel and maybe set a little bell? Did you get a notification? Very curious about that. And let me see. Looking. Oh, chat overlay. A chat overlay would be cool. Problem with that is oh, okay, that's that. I don't understand. I could have had class. I could have been a contender. Oh, wait. Oh, those are other things. You got a notification. Cool. Yeah, I was having a problem today streaming on Facebook, and so it took me a second to set this up. I've streamed this way before. I just don't know what's going on with Ding Loren and is there a match over? Is there a match over? Ding Loren is playing what's his freaking name? Grishik, man. He's playing Grishik, and I need Grishik to win. Results. Is there no results today? Results, games. There's any games going on? No. No games going on. So, guessing nothing in results. Is that not amazing? And not only that, it is 27th. Okay, I guess there was a game today that I wasn't ready for. This match I wasn't as worried about. Although, well, actually, I should be very worried about this match. We're gonna go and play a game of chess, man. For the first time in a very long time, we're gonna play a game of chess on chess.com, 1510, and bam, we are playing chess. Lewis. Very cool, very cool. Waiting for this guy to move. Or let me move. There we go. Okay, we get 1900, guys. Did we just play a Latvian against a 1900? No, let's try and beat him with the Nador, man. Let's just say we're better. We're better. F3 is E5, Bishop E6. Can't be that bad, right? What do you do? He wants to go that way. Okay. Some of these lines, the knight comes to c6. Do I just castle into it right now, or do we continue developing? I think we continue developing. We're going to do this, because I think this knight can come here. We could do this. We'll see what happens. Whoa. He castles. Okay, guys. He just freaking straight castles. He just says, I don't even care about you or any of your friends. We're going to play this maneuver with the ideas of possibly annoying. I think I've got chat for everything. It's amazing. I'm actually streaming on another platform called D Live too. What's funny is this my... That's my chat. 4 of 5. Act. Yeah, it says streaming to Twitter. You can. I didn't even know you could stream to Twitter, so I just clicked on it. Is that good? Is that bad? I don't freaking know. No other information. You would think there'd be more information. Okay, what do you do? Yeah, he's coming at me like in full spider monkey regalia. An idea is go, push, and back. Another idea is here. And then when he pushes, I can come back. I lose a pawn. I lose a pawn to knight takes, pawn takes, queen, rook takes. Oh, no, I don't lose a pawn. Just move. He's 1900. Show him. Just show him what's going on here, folks. Show him I ain't scared. Now, if he does the old shove-a-rooney, I can take attacking. Then this knight comes back. He's overextending. We'll get takes. I just take back with the king. And it's like the queens are gone. You can't checkmate me. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely no. Okay. There's my YouTube. It doesn't tell you how many people are watching if you're directly on YouTube. Oh yeah, I wanted the card. We gotta look at Twitch, folks. Absolutely gotta look at Twitch. Go to Charlie Sardo Gaming. I want settings. Channel. And we are live on Twitch. Let me mute that. And let me make that big and let's see what that looks like. Cool. Yeah, that's amazing. And it's exactly how it's supposed to be on Twitch. Which is, there's not supposed to be anybody there. Because that's Twitch. This is Twitch, folks. So if you're about Charlie Sardo Gaming, Twitch, 95 followers on Twitch. Hey, it's not too bad. Yep, Charlie Sardo Gaming. Type yo and hi. Cool. Okay, we got Twitch. We got streaming there. The restream should be giving me all chats, and so far Lewis was the only one. Lewis, thank you. Lewis Farrow came in on YouTube. He takes. You can't be down a piece. Okay, offending. We'll just come back. Maybe even like here. That's why maybe this. Okay. Now there are maneuvers, guys. We could play the move. We could play the maneuver. I could kick the knight. Or don't. I could play this move threatening. I could castle. When he kicks, come back, and then he really gets his jump. But you know what I get, guys? I get something too. Hey, Ben Hallberg says, Charlie, happy Sunday, brother. Ben Hallberg, thank you for finding me. Where are you, man? I still have to follow your Twitch. Lewd Antics, Lewis, please do. I watch other streams. I'm generally quiet, though. Yeah, no, I know, Lewis Farrow. Here's what I recommend, Lewis, is and Hallberg. This is why I was telling everybody, you need to follow me on multiple platforms. Go to the link in, maybe there's no link in description right now, but here's what I'm going to recommend for the link in description, folks. Or wait, can I maybe change that? Settings, chat settings. Ooh, no, I don't know how to do it. Update titles. Did I put the big? No, I did. Yeah, I did. I put everything there. So in the you should definitely follow me on Twitter and Instagram and every platform, guys. Plus, go to the website. You can sign up for the email, which I'm not going to spam you, but it's very important to be able to get a hold of you guys. There's 21,500 followers that I cannot reach right now because I can't go live on Facebook. It's okay. They're going to fix it. I'm sure we're going to be fine. But we're now my hardcore peeps, my Lewis Farrows, my Ben Hallbergs are showing up. I've been following you on this site since last year when Facebook took a crap. Right. We hop on here. So yeah, you're on Twitch, Hallberg. That's awesome. I don't have Twitter, Instagram. You're probably not missing much. It's gonna come here. Oh, if I come here, this pawn falls. Oh, he'll be able to hit the pawn if I do. Do we just castle? Do we really castle, guy? Do we really castle? Castling seems... Well, I can't castle queenside. You guys want to just castle into it? We could sack a knight for a bishop for 2 pawns. And the dark squared bishop. Doesn't do anything. This is a maneuver. But bishop takes. Strong. Strong like bull. I could bring a rook in the castle. And literally, I think my move is here, guys. Did you know that? It's weird. But I think I've seen it before. Did you let other mods you were on here today? Oh, yeah, Hallberg, did I are you a mod here? Hallberg? Are you a mod on Twitch? This could I'll tell you, he plays king over, guys. Plays king over. Let us now contest the file because he cannot have that. Not have that. This could have been the best move, by the way. Skipped it, but probably could have been the best move. Nope. Well, yeah, but then see, everything peters. Everything peters. Let me look at Twitch. Ben Hallberg. Are you a moderator, Ben? Twitch. This message. See. I'm not sure actually on your page. LOL, I didn't know if you made an epic post on the channel saying you were on Twitch today. Ben Hallberg, believe it or not, I can't even post on Facebook right now. Follow, whisper, block, report, account created, mod, comments, bans, timeouts. Oh, unmod. Yeah, you're a mod. Hallberg, you're a mod. Hallberg, you're a mod. Hey, Luz just followed me on, that looks like a Twitch follow, right? Yeah, thank you, Lewis. Okay. Develops, guys. Now, we can do this. It saves. No. I think we come here. I don't know. That might not be the move. Well, this might be a good move. And then push c4. You might have made a mustachio. Oh, is that gonna work? Knight takes, bishop takes, check, and everything's covered. I'm going in, guys. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. I'll make one on Facebook if you want me to. You know, okay, yeah, he's coming here, but we attack. Oh no, he gets this square. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. It's okay. I'll come here. I'm still on this though. Understand? And I'll be on this. It's a lot of stuff. I think it's still a good move. I think I blundered. He's 1900. He's probably gonna he's gonna analyze it, folks. Yeah, you can. I don't know where you would post it, Ben. Yeah. Now I think we come here. Now if takes, right? And he has 2 pieces hanging. And he has massive problems on the dark squares. Because after that and push, I think we come here, and we should be okay. Maybe we break this way, I'm not sure. He wants to keep everything. Maybe he'll do this. Is probably the move. Then I gotta take. And then I got two bishops for the rook, and they look okay. And we have some presence on the file. Okay, let me get back to the massive stream. Headlock Gaming says red comments to boost algo. Greetings. Hey, Headlock Gaming, how you doing, man? Quality here is nice. Guys, this is Dwayne, man. Dwayne, how you doing? You know what's funny, Dwayne? Didn't you come in last time I was here? Dwayne, I checked some sources. Maybe I shouldn't talk too much. I'll just tell you this. I can't freaking go live, man. I got to my Facebook and I'm blocked. I didn't like get drunk last night and post, political views. Like something freaking happened. What about this move? Then he's definitely gonna play the old G3, and how do I stop it? You know what I mean? So do we take here? I don't think we take with the rook first. I might take with the rook first. Headlock Gaming. Yeah, so Ben, I don't know where you would post it. You could post it in like mods only, it would show up, right? It's the authentication thing. You know what it is, Headlock Gaming? It says you are blocked from creating this action. And then I went and looked on in some other places where there are other streamers, and they said and some of those people were having that problem yesterday. Same exact thing. But I was able to stream yesterday, but I woke up this morning, I can't stream. I'm blocked. I don't understand it. I'm blocked from my own. Now Charlie Sardo, my personal page, I can like, follow, comment. I can do all that on my personal page. I go to Charlie Sardo Gaming. If I go to like one of my videos and I go to click like or go to comment on it or something, or if I try and go live, you're blocked from committing that action. It's just I got a ticket in. First thing I did, Facebook Gaming is my life. So first thing I did was put the ticket in, right? Which I did. I think I have to take here, guys. Takes. He does this. What do we do? Yeah, I posted it in this Sardo Gaming page. It's waiting for approval. Right. I wonder if I can approve that. Headlock Gaming says, "Oh wow, sorry to hear it. Glad that you got these backups. Very smart. Back up the backup plan." Yeah, Headlock Gaming. That's what I'm kind of doing. You know, I've kind of had this. I've actually been trying to build the YouTube channel. I got from like 350 followers on YouTube to like over 500 just by plugging it, just by telling people link in description. Follow me on YouTube. We need the connection. Right? I just finally got a website too, Dwayne. And at the bottom of my website, there's a sign up, which is basically for my email address. And without even thinking about it, all of a sudden I have like 120 emails I could send to. Not going to start spamming these people. But the point is, I need the levels of redundancy, man. I think this looks like the weird thing to do, but messes my pawns up. This keeps the bishop. Let's just keep the bishop. Right. Now we come here. We start chopping them open. Or wait. Because the knight is kind of holding, but see, here's the thing. This comes with the threat. Then the knight comes back, and then we start pushing the pawn. Oh, he has the queen maneuver. Problem is he has the queen maneuver here, but I can't stop it. So I can't worry about it. Well, no, if he comes here, he misses pawns up and stuff. I don't like any of this, guys. He's threatening. Well, he's threatening to take, right? But then I could take. I just don't know what how threatening that is. You know what I mean? Doing it while I can. I have no idea what to do here, guys. Quality here is nice. Okay, well, sorry to hear. Glad he gets his back up. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Blaine. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, now it looks like my... No, it's not. It doesn't look like any. Thought I was frozen, but I was just sitting there like this. Ooh, and is there sunlight coming? Ace, what is that? I saw it on stream over there, but I didn't see it over here. Okay. Oh, am I like Okay. Here's Twitch. Good. Post on the Sardo Gaming page. Waiting for approval. I could try. Oh wait. I can try and go over there and approve it. But there's 1,900 players. And he's gonna be moving, folks. And you're gonna be screwing around. Charlie Sardo Gaming. Okay, let's go here. Wait. Come on. I don't want that. Get away from that. Okay, now I want to come here. I want to go to groups. You put it in Charlie Sardo Gaming group, the 3.3K members. Pending posts. Hey Ben, I'm gonna pre-approve you for Charlie Sardo Gaming, okay? So you can just post anything, whatever you want, whenever you want. Just do me a favor, cause like I'm just not letting it be overrun with like other streamers and stuff. So don't share other streamers to the page. You know, simple, fun. You know, only stuff that like you created. If it's a screenshot of your game, a comment you want to make. But I'm just gonna put a pre-approval on you because I'm not worried about you, and I have no pre-approval on anybody, and that might make my life a little bit easier. Yeah, I just approved it. Van Hallberg, know the rule. I hear what's up. Posted it. Started. Okay, got you. Now, what did my opponent do? As I'm losing on time, he came back. Good. We can now take spot shot because no, we can't because of our back rank. That really hurts too. Don't know what else to do, guys. Making left is a huge one, but left the balloons. Yep, that's a good square, guys. He's attacking. This is just a check is the problem. He plays, takes check. Do I come here? Rook takes, pawn takes, queen takes. Just loses. Everything loses, guys. I'm in a lot of trouble. This is hanging now. So I think I have to do this. I might let his rook in. I might let his rook in, guys. I might let his rook in. Another move is he's threatening my pawn. This doesn't work. That doesn't work. This problem with this move, there's no future in it. It's like this. Wait, this is bad. Looking at chat, 10-4. I know the rule. What's up? Cool, man. Excuse me. I need to get water, guys. Hey, first time coffee cam on Facebook and Twitch, and I mean on YouTube and Twitch in a long time. Welcome to the coffee cam, folks. I need water. I'm in so much trouble this game, folks. I am in so much trouble this game. Black Silk Coffee Cam, you know it, man. You know it. Okay. Yeah, I think everything's a little bit twitchy. I think it wants me to upload it at 4K, which is weird to me. What happened? Still my time. Okay, just gonna get my pawn, guys. So we have to at least... We have to get something for it, folks. There's a check. Oh, I dropped my bishop. See, that's... Herein lies the problem, folks. With, yeah. Yeah. Let's go ahead and resign this game. And let's see if Grishik is playing. Watch. Watch. See if games. Let's see if there's anything running here. I don't think is a way to do it. I think the way to actually watch this tournament is but I think it's over. Is it over? Does anyone know if Grishik lost? Grishik. Come on, how do or how do I get to his account? Don't know. Oh, and you know what I feel like they don't what they don't do here also is watch Speed Chess Championship. But let's just go to results. Oh, there are no results. Ben Hallberg says me and Kyle are doing our first drop on Warzone later. This should be interesting since I haven't played MW since MW3. Oh, I don't break my legs on my first drop, and you're gonna have fun, Hallberg. Hey, Crying-Eyed 2008 says, hey, Charlie and Chillers. This is Claus Dodson. I have a different handle on here on YouTube. Cool. Crying-Eyed, thank you, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm guessing Ding won. I'm guessing because there's no results here, and he was winning last time I saw, and it doesn't look like they're playing right now. So, is that the case? Oh, no. Okay, so my bracket is already lost, guys. I blew my bracket. My bracket for the $10,000 prize, I had Grishik. I had to do that. I had to do that. Let me get in another game. I had to do that to... December 22, 2022, verified arena. Starts in 167 hours. A verified arena. We could... This is a little bit hangout. Let's check out the... I kind of feel like I'm hanging out and checking out all these new platforms. So let's go to play. Let's go to tournament. See if we can join an arena or something. 10-0 rapid arena, 2 hours, 64 minutes left. Well, that's 1 hour. So starts in 9 minutes. 10-0 live Swiss and 5-0 arena. Starts in 4 minutes, 2 hours, 5 minutes. Do I want the arena? Do I want the arena? Do I want the arena? Ding beat Grishik, man. I needed freaking Grishik to win. I feel like I got lucky that freaking Fabiano beat freaking what's his name. It's ridiculous. The bracket is rough. I had no idea the bracket was that rough. No idea, guys. Still on Twitch. Yep. Okay, cool. This is funny. Isn't this a trip, guys? Streaming on a multiple platforms. You guys probably can't all see the chat. I could make a consolidated chat and put it on the stream here, which is kind of like probably a better move. Or really the thing to do is, I'm just going to go 15-10. The thing to do is pick a platform. That's my humble opinion. It's my humble opinion, man. You know, the restream is like, if literally no one is going to watch you at all, but you can restream and across 10 platforms, and one person will watch you on half of them, and you get 5 people watching across different platforms. That's 5 people more than you had before if you can't have any, right? But I still think the move is kind of sticking to one platform. Good video quality and sound quality is better, I think. No lag at all, not like I am watching Japanese English over the movie, like what happens with Facebook many times. Yeah, YouTube, man, the quality. If you're on Twitch, you might want to get over and be sure you follow on the YouTube. And if you're on YouTube, you know what I'm going to say, right? You might just want to get your butt on over and follow on. Wait. Castello. Make a Castello with your king, guys. I got a spam risk. Takes. Okay. Take with that 8. I don't think we do. I think, well, I don't know. That's. What then? Knight f6, bishop g5, h6, and what? See what I'm saying? I think we take this way, guys. I think we take this way. He just, what do you do? He plays e5. Great. Let us annoy it. Oh, wait. Do this first. Defend the pawn. I didn't get to annoy it. There's no knight to come here. C3 is very often one of my maneuvers. Good video quality. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, YouTube, man. YouTube's a trip. I'll go back and watch this on YouTube and be like, dang, look how pretty. Okay. I think part of this is finding a spot for my queen. But the queen can just come here and not make this maneuver. This. I'm doing this anyway. I got it. It's the sweet spot. Okay. Wait. Don't stop. What do you do? Oh, he wants to castle all of a sudden. Oh, so now you're not too good to castle, huh? A minute ago you were. We're going to F5, guys. Maybe knight c4. Okay, now you got to be careful. Careful is not a word, folks. Don't say the word careful. This is the this chat is a trip, guys. I have one chat here for Twitch. Wow. And for YouTube. And actually, I'm live on this thing called D Live too. Is there anyone from D Live? Like, I don't even know what that is. I searched best alternative streaming platforms. One was called Periscope. Didn't see it. Is Periscope gone? He comes back. But he's not threatening anything. Oh, yes, he is. Just come. Just come with the kick drum. The threat is, it's a real threat, guys. It's nice. It's a bishop. One thing about bishops, you'll want free bishops, or you want to take them. You want to take your bishops any chance you have, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I have no idea. Dashboard restream. That's cool. Is there information here? View analytics. Should I be going here while I'm live? Real-time analytics are currently not available. Live. Just a page view. Oh, wait. Okay, what happened? What did he do? Yeah, he plays. Okay, wait, now we just have to take it, guys. Because you know what he's going to do? He's going to come back, play G6. But you know what? I think this works. I think it's a good move. Okay, viewers, 3 average, 5 maximum, 120 minutes watched. You know why? Because Louis Farrow and and Hallberg are my absolute hardcore friends. Now, that's Twitch is outperforming YouTube 2-1, it appears, with 2 average, 3 max versus 1 average, 2 max on YouTube, folks. Okay, those are analytics. Those are kind of cute. Right. Oh. Forgot something. Now I got to get the bishop, but I got to give the bishop too. No, I could take with check. And I got to back off. Which kind of sucks. LG5 was not the move. How do we solve? Bishop takes, pawn takes, knight takes. Check. Comes up here and if he comes here, we can come back and check. If he comes this square, I think I can. There's knight. I'm looking at sacrifices, and they're probably not there, guys. They're probably not there. I need to just relax. I'm not losing. I'm not losing. Just play Grandmaster move. Snack it and come back. Take the bishop. Best piece on the board. Probably wasn't the move. Just come back. Bring the other rook. You might do this. This is a clearance move. We saw this move in the game yesterday. C5 is an idea. It kind of pushes the pawn a little bit overextended, but then this knight comes. It's beautiful. Okay. Yep. Just get this going. Let's get this going, guys. Yeah. All right, man. Lewd Antics, thank you for the follow. If you're watching a replay, are there replays on Twitch? I guess they have VODs, but no one watches them, right? On YouTube, this could be a replay. Yeah, probably not the most exciting YouTube replay ever created. But you know what I need? I need time. I need hours. What? Why would he do this? Or do I lose? Oh wow, because he actually could have a little bit of threat. Queen moves, he can push. Yeah, okay. Well, he's on my queen. Come here. Or wait. Am I gonna get beat around? I mean, I guess I have the. I almost feel like this, but then he's gonna double, right? He's on this. This is okay though, so we can just get out of that. Push, double, step aside. He could trip. He could trip hard, guys. But doesn't do anything. He can get in here. It doesn't do anything. So I'm gonna make my move and then I'm gonna look at chat. He's on my queen. I think up here. I think it's better to be here, covering some key squares. I'm coming back. Did I blunder? I be hanging out with you. Good vibes, quality. Yeah. I've been hanging out with you guys. Hey, Charles Keytron. Mr. Keytron, how are you doing? I remember last time I went live on YouTube by mistake. You were the first one there, man. Okay. He comes at me full spider monkey regalia. Oh, when he doubles. Okay, let's do this. I don't know if it's a move, guys, but it's what I played. It probably doesn't work because this hangs at the end. Oh, no. You can play rook over and then win my knight. I lose. Rook over. Bishop takes. Although, wait. I'm up something, right? Chess on YouTube for a Sunday afternoon. David Lindegaard, you gotta love it. How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, there was some little glitch over there on Facebook that I'm sure they're repairing right now. Got a ticket in. First thing I did, Facebook is my life. That's where we stream. First, oh man, I thought he had rook over, guys. He could then attack my knight again. You're like, oh, I can't come here because of this. Okay, and when he pins, I'm going to have to move. Okay? When he pins, I got to move, guys. I could come here and attack the pawnster. Pawnster is not a monster. Gotta love it, Lindegaard. Yeah, man. Dude, this is crazy. Now, I don't think... Is this telling me... Real-time and links currently not available. Oh, you refreshed the page. Okay, let's go ahead and try. Instagram pop-ups. Why is it doing that? I allowed that. I allowed that. There was still our maximum viewers is 5. 5 viewers. You absolutely love it, man. Why are real-time and I want to... Okay, what do you do? What do you do? I told you he's gonna pin, guys. He's gonna pin. I love that he blocks his rook, guys. He blocks his rook. Let us go after the pawn. Let us be the knockers. You guys like knockers? I'm the knocker. Chess on YouTube for a Sunday afternoon. That is it, man. You gotta love it. We're here, man. We're on YouTube and Twitch. Lindegaard, if you have not followed on Twitch, be a great idea. We need the multiple forms of redundancy, man. I don't really go live on Twitch, so it's not like you're gonna get a million updates. Just get on Twitch, follow Charlie Sardo Gaming, subscribe. It's free, and then or follow or whatever. And then same thing with the YouTube. Definitely want to get me on the Twitter. Not a bad idea to go to the website and get on the email address. Oh, one thing I can check is Twitter. Because it said go live on Twitter. It says connect. It said connect to Twitter. Okay, that's funny. Sorry. Let me see what's happening. See if I click on me. Charlie Sardo Gaming. I'm live to 0 viewers on Twitch. That is hilarious. I mean, on Twitter, dude. I wonder what the quality of that is like. Looks a little shady. Probably not the world's biggest streaming platform, but I'm streaming on Twitch right now. I mean, on Twitter. That's hilarious. Yeah. He moved. Oh, he didn't move. This guy's right at 1567. He made a mistake by giving up the 2 bishops for the rook and a pawn. There's still play in the position though. Like, but he just really kind of locked his rook out, man. Probably not smart. This pawn is going to maybe be stolen. It might be ninja attacked. Here takes... Oh, he wants to push. Do we want to open up the bishops, guys? Well, he'll get a bishop. That's the problem. If I move the hopper, guys, he's going to push. And center. So it's like the center of the freaking lollipop is not so sweet anymore. Knight takes, will it make any threats? Bishop takes, won't even make threats, man. Knight takes, doesn't make any. I win a pawn, but he gets the bishop here and he messes my pawns up. This is the choice. Now I'm not looking at chat because I don't want any freaking answers. Check me. Takes. I have structure and the pair. No, I didn't. I gave this up. If I come back, F5 feels good for him, man. Really does. Then he could push this if he wants. He'd actually be threatening to maybe trap my bishop. Here. And I think it's... Well, and yeah. He's actually might be threatening to trap my hopper, folks. So maybe this move. Grandmaster. There's no purchase, guys. There's no purchase. Do you keep? Okay, my question is the tragedy in my brain right now is keep the pair. Wait. I have 2 pieces for the rook. Win a pawn, double or not. Just win the pawn. Do we take with the knight or the hopper? I think we take with the knight. Takes. He might have F5. But what does it really do? You know what I'm saying? Takes, F5, then I can come back here. I think he could get a little bit of play, but I think my pieces should tell the tale, folks. Knight takes, bishop takes is my idea. Just let him take it. Let him have his pair, guys. I cannot go into the... Because if bishop takes f5, he's gonna get that move anyway. So I guess we take. Hard fought decision, guys. Good. Was that the move? Hey, I see a viewer on Twitch. Whoever's watching on Twitch, if there's any way to comment, not on Twitch, on Twitter. If there's any way to comment on Twitter, what do you do in this position? Give me the comment on Twitter. I want to see you in the chat. That'd be hilarious because I didn't even know you could stream to Twitter. I didn't know you could stream to Twitter. Okay, he takes. Great. This is the position. I was that the move, guys? Was that the move? Let me get back over here and see if there's any other. Looks okay on Twitter. Gotta love it. Looks okay on Twitter. I know. And yeah, F5. What did I tell you guys? What did I freaking tell you guys? Now, the rook wants to come, but knight attacks. Rook down. The knight can block. The bishop is still very active. Or the bishop can block and we can stay on this pawn. Or the queen's already on it. This is just okay for us, guys. This is just okay for us. Just come back. Just come back. Is there a K-Mega? Check. You guys, you gotta look at the checks. That's where the mates are. Ooh, I could do this. No, I can't. So just play your plan. This was the plan. This is what we looked at earlier, folks. Okay, I'm gonna look on Twitter. If anyone commented on Twitter, who's the Twitter person you want to use watching? Oh, they're gone now. I scared them away. I scared Twitter away. There is one heart though, and oh wait, it looks like there is a comment. Streaming chess here today. Okay, okay, that was my comment. Okay. Okay, let me try this. Yay. Oh no, I don't want to, because that's gonna tweet. I don't want to just say yay. Yeah, but there was someone. What do you do? What do you do? He protects. Yeah. Okay. Now this check needs to be avoided. It could be avoided with king over or knight. Do we push? That's probably, is that not safety? Do we I feel like his pieces, I could check and then queen up. But here's the problem. Here's the problem. Look, check, queen up, maybe takes, rook check, knight back. I got two pieces. And pawns are starting to fall, folks. So what if we... Oh no, he's on this pawn too. Queen's protecting it, but that is bad. That's bad, guys. I think I should keep my check in play, folks. This might be this square. Maybe king over's weakening, guys. It's like, I mean, he should probably like play rook back and rook over coming this way, maybe, or just queen here, threatening this square. That'd be a great move, guys. Right? Start doing stupid stuff, you know. Queens start coming in. It's like, I'm trying to freaking find out the right move here, folks. There's no purchase. Check. It kind of stops my ideas if I come back. If I come here, and he's gonna come. So I think I need to make my pawns on this side of the board, what do you call it? Defendable? Is this a blunder? Going for it, folks. Absolutely go. Oh, there's another viewer on Twitter. Twitter. Who's watching on Twitter? So one of you guys went to Twitter. That's what you guys did. Yeah, you guys are checking out the platforms. That was Lindegard. Yeah. Should be a like from me. Very Lindegard, thank you for doing that. That was you. Cool, guys. All right, guys, this is going to be a game to look at when we're done because I'm like, I feel like I'm losing. Watch us say I'm winning. I don't know. My pieces are broke. I broke my pieces. You know what I'm saying? Lewd antics with the follow. That's freaking hilarious. Lewd antics. You absolutely love it. Is there any other? No. Right? Okay. Okay, the queen moves forward and splits pawns. I could check. There's nothing here yet, but if I can get the king up, there could be. But then I won't have the check. See what I'm saying? I could come here and play bishop takes, pawn takes, knight takes. Nope. The rook escapes. The rook escapes, folks. Okay, my phone just made a noise. And if I wasn't streaming on multiple platforms right now, I wouldn't be looking to see what the noise was. And I still don't know. Okay. This he wants all these pieces, so do we check? But that really, I think is at least duro. But this is overworked queen, man. It's overworked queen. I really would rather... Well, I have a check here. And if he comes up here, I have queen takes. I don't have queen takes because he's got this check. I have a check here I didn't even see, though. This is the scary part of checks, folks. Here, and then if he takes one of these, I can say check and pick up the rook. No, I can't. I guess I have to. I think I have to play this move too. Because I need a Corina, where'd you sleep? Let me see. Probably not the good move, guys. Should be a like from me. Okay, good. What do we got here? There's the analytics. It's funny. Doesn't have the live ones. Ooh, totals. Refresh that. Or okay. Oh no. Okay, if he takes this one, I have check in the book. Problem with the check. Well, I could go check. And then bishop attacking a square. Right? Okay. Like threatening stuff. This is a move. You could play a... I feel like I need this move. Queen check. King up. Checks. Queen check. Here. Nope. Rook check. Here. I think I'm losing. But I always think I'm losing. Right? Hey, we have a maximum of 4... Wait. A maximum of 7 viewers across all... How many platforms? Dude, I'm on that this new thing I've never seen before. Called, D-Live. D-Live. Does anyone know D-Live? Let's see if we can find D-Live right. D-Live. D-L-I-V-E. Your stream, your rules. I would... Oh, whoa. Okay, good. Shut that off. Search. Let's see if we can find chess on here. I think they didn't have a... There's a chess... Ooh, there's a category, chess.com. Which I didn't see. He is a little bit scared. 0 viewers for that. Okay, let's search for Charlie Sardo game. Charlie Sardo game. I can't find it. How come my name doesn't show up? Okay, what do you do? He plays the check. Okay, now I think I can come up. And yeah, that's really interesting. It says I'm live on this thing called D-Live, but I can't find myself. Let's try this. He resigned. He resigned. Okay. He resigned because he blundered. But let's see how he blundered. I saw this move, and I thought then I could play check and he can't interpose. Oh. Queen check here wins a rook. Yeah. That's interesting. Why can't I find browse all Why can't I find myself on the DLive platform? Charlie. Sardo. Made a yeah, well, that it was just, if anyone's watching on the DLive platform, I would love it if I could find it. No viewers on Twitter. It's crazy streaming platforms. Okay, but we got the I've got the one chat. So if on any platform you should, although you said you should be a like from you. Okay. I don't know if oh God, the guy blonde. This game. Oh yeah, we have to look at this game. This game we're looking at because it was I'm very curious as to what the hell is going on in this game. And hopefully Facebook gets their stuff resolved so I can stream again later. Okay, I'm ahead the whole time, guys. And I played 81% versus 73%. Yeah, a like and a comment also. Cool. DLive. Anyone watch it from DLive? Bit rate. I gotta set my bit rate to 4K, guys. That's weird. Okay, next key move. Look how long this game is going. Look how long before it tells me to try a different move. Isn't that crazy? I love when it does that. It's like Stockfish saying, okay, you don't suck too bad. You don't suck too bad. You don't suck too bad. That's kind of cool. Okay, so because of this move might cause trouble for you. It doesn't like this move. I considered B3 was an idea. H3, H4. This is not the move, so then maybe this. Knight H4 is a move. It's a real move, guys. What's the move? What's the move? Bringing just Rook AD1 brings the last piece, guys, right? So it tells me maybe the move is this because it involves the last piece that is not playing. Unless it literally wants me to play Rook ED1, right? I'm not 1000% sure. Can't you stream on TikTok too? I wanted to stream on TikTok too, but I didn't see TikTok listed on the Restream platform. So I don't know if it's possible, guys, to Restream and to add TikTok to that list. But I wanted to stream on TikTok too. And I'm going to check that out. I will check. I'm telling you. I'm going to be checking it out. Okay. This is not the move. Let's look at the key squares and whatnot. We're okay here. This is a little bit shady. That's why we cannot play Rook ED1. We drop the pawn. This protects the pawn. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, someone's asking me on Instagram if I'm not streaming on Facebook anymore. No, I am. They're just, look, is this the move? Guys, how do we pick a move better than Rook AD1? Well, this activates the bishop, threatens the square, can't keep me out because of this. Looks like the move. It's weird. It also could be Rook AC1, maybe. TikTok is streamable. Yeah, but I don't think I didn't see it on the list of Restream. See, I'm doing a Restream where I stream to a company called Restream, and then they send it out to multiple platforms. It's easy, and you don't need. If I do it from here, I have to encode, I think, everything, and I have to use my upload speed. to send it to 3 or 4 different places. That's very taxing on my end. With Restream, you pay a certain amount of money every month. I stream to Restream, and then they restream me out to multiple. Okay? And I used it before. Not much. But I just bought a little 1 month I woke up this morning and I'm like, I can't go live. This is cray cray. So we just jumped on Restream, set this up real quick. Doesn't look bad. Made it a little more one size fits all. If you notice, there is no stars goal or sub goal, right? Because those are Facebook. Not sure about that, but I get it. Okay, yeah. Yes, no, so they give you a whole list of people you can stream to, and TikTok wasn't there. And you would think it would be. Okay, I'm going to try this move. Hey, Knight H4. Dude, we just found the best move. This is huge. That was a good spot, guys. When is Knight H4? A knight on the rim is grim. So we have our rules. And then we knew we had to break the rule. This is like the cheating thing. This is like the if Stockfish came up and tapped me on the back, which he just did in my game review, and said, Rook AD1 is not the move. Find something better. And I'm like, wait a minute. Bring in the last piece to the only open file, which already has a black rook on it. Bring in the last piece is a bad move. Okay, Stockfish. How do you find a better move? That means moving. It's either a pawn move. It's either a pawn break, which pawn takes I can't take back because I hang my queen. So it's not b4. It's either a pawn move like h4, h3, or, like I said, this crazy move. It can't be rook because the pawn falls. So we actually found the best move through process of elimination, more or less. By knowing this isn't bad, I still would play this move. This is the best move. That's not the best move. Okay, let's see Knight H4 and see what happens. And it's minus 0.06. It's basically even. Hey, Marcelo Kua, how are you doing? On YouTube, Marcelo, do I know you from my Facebook stream? If you're new to the stream, if you're new on any of the multiple platforms, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We stream chess Monday through Thursday on Facebook Gaming, but right now, Facebook Gaming, I'm having trouble going live there. So I just came to get live on Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, and DLive. Is your service sending to DLive right now? It is, David Lindegaard. See if you can find it. It's supposed to be. Let me look. Let me actually look. Stream settings. Ooh, no, don't want those. Destinations. Oh, it says unable to connect. It says unable to connect. Maybe I can hit it. I just shut it off and turned it back on. That's why I couldn't find myself on DLive, guys. DLive. What even is DLive? I thought, like, relax, Charlie. Do you not, maybe DLive is, you know, a place where you don't want to go or something. You know what I'm saying? You must never go there. It says unable to connect. Okay, I could probably figure out what the problem is there, right? But okay, so that was the better move. This is blunder. Guys, we spent so much time on this move. So is it save the hopper? Save the pair, guys. Save the pair. It's the only good move. It's a 3-pawn swing, guys. Okay, this was bad. This was a mistake. This was a huge mistake. Oh, yeah, I was going to ask Marcelo. Marcelo, how did you find me here on YouTube? Do you know me from the Facebook gaming stream? We normally stream on Facebook, and we have a pretty successful stream over there, but having trouble getting live over there right now, so I came over here to mess around. So I'm David Lindegaard. So far, everyone I've seen is from Facebook. But I'm asking Marcelo if he's still here. Story is, how'd you find me? They show the moves. Bishop e3 is better. Right? And then I thought maybe something like this. Dude, it's so funny. It wants b4. It was thinking the same crap I was thinking. Queen check. Start hitting this baloney with a pin. Okay, bishop h3 is a move. Bishop h3 just threatens knight takes. They're right. Because you don't have an account there. I made an account. I made an account there. At DLive. I went to DLive. I made an account. I connected it. I added it on Restream. It's like, yep, you're all connected, ready to go, folks. But it could be who knows what. Again, I think that's the least known platform. But I wanted to try like a smaller platform. You know what I mean? And I'm going to. Well, what I'd like to do is get back to Facebook gaming, you know, so I could get a few new subs today and, you know, maybe some Facebook gaming stars. That'd be great. Yeah, that's not happening. So what we're doing right now is just moving forward. Okay. So yeah. And then I have ideas. Stuff. Okay, so back to the review. See if there's any other big mistakes. That was a mistake. It's a blunder. Save the bishop, guys. Mistake. Retry. You had an advantage. Am I supposed to do this? What did I do? This one it is. It's not it either. It wants 92. 92. Oh, to stop the rook. I don't know why. Then maybe I could set up like this. Is this a consolidation situation? 92, queen e6. Yeah, I told you, bishop f3. I told you! King h7 stepping out. King g2 stepping here. Right. Queen to the c4 maneuver. Right. Do we play the b3 maneuver? b3, queen e6. And we're better because we have the two pieces, and we just have to very, very slowly incremental improvements as taught to us by FIDE Master David Bassett. Incremental improvements, guys. That's why you see Stockfish repeat a couple times and just kind of be like, I don't know what to do, but I know I'm not going to make a bad move, and I know that I'm not going to push too hard and lose, which that's the bad move. It's hilarious, man. Does people even do that? In this one here, I can't get in. Blowing might even. It doesn't matter. Let's just get on another freaking. Let's just get into. Now, today has been a little bit, you know, set up-ish, right? Like, hey, we got all the new streams, I'm getting it dialed in a little bit better. Tomorrow, oh, I didn't even record this stream. That kind of sucks. Well, it's on YouTube. And I have to remember to set my bit rate down. I don't think I can do that while I'm live, but we're going to check. Settings. No way. Output. Video bitrate. Let's go to 4K. Hi. Okay. All right. I just slowed my bitrate down to 4K, and I have a feeling everything will get better because my poor little computer over here was dropping some frames because I was uploading too fast to this new system. There you go. Okay. I'm guessing we then start another game. Let us go to play. and play online and having an interesting day of chess today. Interesting day of chess, folks. If you're new to the stream, I stream Monday through Thursday on Facebook Gaming while I can go live there, but I can't go live there right now. And so we are just keeping a presence, keeping some type of online presence here, folks. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. You know why? Because everybody doesn't know to come follow me here all the time, but that's okay. That is completely okay. E4, E5. We play the LC4, folks. Yes, LC4. It reminds me of the old days when I very first started streaming, folks. Night here. I want to play this so bad that I think I do. And if takes, I play G3. There we go. Okay. Oh, he plays the hopper, folks. It's an annoying thing. Defending. Now we have like this weird King's Gambit. Can't castle. Our maximum number of people watching has gone up to 8, folks. Breaking the record for the restream Sunday. Do I play guitar today, guys? Do I go play guitar and let this whole thing blow over? He wants. Think. Come here. Bishop. If the hopper comes, what do we do? I think I have to play H3. No. I'm developing pieces fearlessly. Whoa! You waste a move. I really, really needed that. I hate to play hope chess, folks. But I feel like without hoping, I feel like... Because now we have time to do everything we need to do. And one of those things is rip the amigos. Get rid of the hopper. Now, I did watch a video and I remember this IM. He's great. I love this guy. What's his name? Butcher or something. Okay, now. We play here. I think we do. I think we break into El Centro. Is this good? Is this bad? Or is it ugly? I don't freaking know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Coming after. Why you got... Someday. Why's it gotta be so mean? Why's it gonna come after my hopper, folks? See, I took your bishop. You don't get to take my bishop. Get that out of your head. All right? Guys, I put the word out. Andrew Millis with the follow. Ooh, thank you, Andrew. I put the word out to my friend who knows my game very well. I can win a pawn. He's 1600 and he's giving me pawns. Okay, it's a doubled pawn. It's a freaking double E pawn though. Right? I don't know, man. Right? Now, maybe... Castle? No! Well, that's what I get for hovering. The same dear friend that was going to... said he would think about how I should begin building an opening repertoire to run and claim my 2000 expert title in chess. I say that like it's easy. It's so not easy, guys. Oh my god, it's gonna be so hard, but I can do it. And I know he's been thinking about it because he's like, the knight comes. Great. Check. C6. Takes. Oh no, the bishop can't take that way. Check. C6. Takes. I come here. Opera. It looks good. Check. C6. Queen takes queen. And then knight takes. Hitting this and this. And actually, this can't jettison anywhere. It feels pretty good. I don't know if it works, guys. I've been playing a little bit shady, but that's my line, and I'm sticking to it. Now on takes. And look at his pawns, and I won a pawn, and I feel I'm losing anything. I don't know, man. I don't rightfully know. Okay, this one here I can close because we're definitely not on that platform. I'm streaming on Twitch. It's hilarious. 95 followers on Twitch, 513 on YouTube. We have got no new YouTube followers today. I think we started out with 513. That's okay. Hey, maybe we hang out for an hour. They'll feed us into the algorithm. We'll get 1 million followers, folks. It'll be magical. There is more content on the page. You might appreciate the I Was Busted series. It's very popular. I Was Busted. I got a game against a FIDE master where I drop an exchange and a pawn. Okay. Comes back. Great. Now, if this guy wasn't here, we might have shenanigans. But he is here. Okay, so now we come back and block a little bit. We just come back and block. And then we're going to do this. This could be K-Meggyo. This is K-Meggyo porque B6. Right? Wait. Oh, he just wants to freaking push me around town. Okay, is this this I can't. This I can't. It's one square. So just go there. Just go there. This he might push. In which case I may be able to shove this sucker. And on takes. And again. And indubitably I split mine, but I doubled his. Smart? Probably not. What does he do? Okay, he wants to trade. He wants a trade, guys. Takes. He's threading takes. So takes. Knight takes. The knight has no threats. Takes, knight takes b3. It's a bishop. It's a trade. Now b3. ¿En dónde está? I don't see where he goes. You can come back here. Right? Guys, this guy's 16-19. I'm rated 17-10. If you're new to the stream, I might be rated higher than 17-10. Because I talk a lot. And I drop a lot of rooks. From chat, from going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. If I had every rook back. Yeah. Now, this move, he comes here. I think we push. We looked at that. If he takes, we take. And then a rook comes. And then we start getting files. This move stops him from castling. He might play this, and we could maybe get... Here, push. You still can't come in. Okay, another idea is just bishop. I got so much time. We're going to think about it. Breaking the center open, El Centro, I don't think is a deal. He just castles. You know what I'm saying? Takes. Maybe rook takes. The knight looks good, but no. What about this move? So when we do this... But this kind of provokes this. And he just castles. But we've improved the position. And we also have this idea. Bing, 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 and then here. No, but I could take and maybe save. This and takes. I don't like the broken teeth, folks. This is a probably cooler way to develop. In other words, well, wait. I don't know, man. Okay, now I just got to go candidate moves, okay? I'm not looking at chat. I don't have chat up. 0 viewers on Twitch is what I'm looking at. Yeah. Ooh, Instagram. I'm getting a lot of little loves on the Instagram for the post I posted there, folks. Did anyone come to watch me from Instagram? From that post? They say, like, post on your socials. Yeah, well, I guess that helps for, like, people with 600,000 followers, right? Because, you know, 4,000 show up. Okay. Bishop. Squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't like this one. So it's either here, here, or here to move for the bishop. This way will help promote this. I'll become weak. The knight looks pretty good. This one, like I said, all he does is that, but then I bring a rook. Then he brings a rook. And I can come back. All it does is make a square for him, though. All it does is make a square for his knight to come back to. So let's just come here. Doing it. Bishop B2, guys. I just played it. I don't know if it was the move. I don't know if it was a move, folks, but that's where we are. Okay. Yeah, this, the no real-time analytics is odd. Currently not available. Are they saying that, like, it usually is available? You know what I'm saying? It's very difficult to say. I'll tell you. Ooh, viewers, followers, chat messages, real-time analytics, 27 messages, chat trends. What do you do? You did it anyway. Maybe I should have done this while I can. No, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Am I up a pawn? I am. I'm up. Push and improve the knights. I could play rook here. Oh, push knight f5. I might play g4. Is this a bad move? I don't know. I have no freaking idea, man. Well, oh yeah, you can look at all the chat trends. Lindegard with 9, Lewd Antics with 9, Headlock Gaming with 4, Claude, which is Cryonide, with 3. It's funny. Oh, top chatters. That doesn't show the monitor incoming. Monitor outgoing. Interesting. Okay. Let's get out of this. What do you do? Brings the knight back. Great. Now, do we shove and improve the amigo's position? Do we maybe bring the king up? This knight can come here. It can't. You know what's probably king f2 is not good because of this file. Still, believe it or not, and I kind of want to do this, right? So, oh, he's threatening a fork. So I'm just gonna block the fork. I'm gonna block the fork, folks. I don't know if it's the move. Hey, look who's on Twitch. Velner, who are you, man? What's the story? I'll give you the story, but tell me who you are, my friend. Guys, if you are new, if you're ever new to me on Twitch or on YouTube, and people come in and I say, who are you? Lucas Cannon. Lucas, dude. I woke up this morning with some glitch type things on Facebook where I'm not able to go live. And I put a ticket in. First things first, man. That's my bread and butter, man. I'm a partner. That's what we do. But, oh man. Oh man. It's like we want to block because it's a protected pass pawn. Kind of gets in the way of my bishop though. But pawn takes is not good. It's not good because it just helps him. Come here. You should maybe push and then bring the knight. I can defend this though, but it's like the knight comes. I have to defend the pawn, I believe. Rook takes does nothing. No forks or weird baloney. This makes an actual threat, but no, it actually really doesn't. Push, he just takes. Bishop back. I think we do this. Lucas Cannon. Yeah. So I couldn't go live as usual on Facebook, which is not the end of the world because today is Sunday. And you know, the scheduled streams, although you guys know me, I push pretty freaking hard. I push pretty freaking hard to stream every day, right? So because of this, I was probably going to do something today. But little bit of Guitar Geek on Instagram just said it, beautiful telly. And do you know how kind that is, guys? Do you know how freaking kind that is for someone to say that nice? I'm telling you, guitars, they're a little bit like, you know, kids or a girlfriend or your whatever. They're a material object, but it's a freaking guitar. You make music with it. It's something you're very passionate. You can be very passionate and love very much, guys. So when someone compliments your guitar, it's different to me than if someone compliments my car. Some people are all about that car. I'm not all about that car. What? And maybe I should start recording now. I'm going to start recording. Bang. We just started recording, folks. That way we'll have some record of this day. What did he do? Ooh, he's coming. He's coming, guys. I could push. That would make a perma-hole. Can I come here? Do we double? I think this is the file, guys. I think this is where all the action's going to be. For the rest of our days. For the rest of our days. Oh my gosh. This has nothing to do with it. I don't believe. But I think I got a copyright strike last night from proximity chat, man. Playing Warzone 2. People are talking in the background. What you can't control if you want proximity chat. And my video got taken down because of a copyright strike, and they said exactly which time violated, which is amazingly huge for Facebook. Thank you for doing that. People, I've gotten strikes before, but they just say this video, and then they say read all the rules and figure out what you did wrong. It was really rough. Now they literally give you a little. There's a little thing that tells you. Yeah, I looked at this. Takes. If he takes, I take, and I think I'm on the pawnster. He could come here, but then we just take, and then we get another pawnster. There's a fork here that doesn't fork anything. You got a strike for proximity chat. Jeez. Well, I thought we looked at this. Oh, it's because of this. If I come here. Wait, if I take, you can take it. Oh, he could fix. My knight could cover. There are also ideas of this move will win this pawn at some point. This square can come open too. Might be a better way to centralize. So takes. I think this might be the move. Doesn't help my knight though. He's threatening to take. He's threatening a trade. No, he's threatening to take a pawn. I could do this one too. He could play knight. He can start getting all my stuff quick, man. I don't know if I push. This might give me more options. Because if I go this way, he might not take en passant. If I go this way. Oh no, then he has knight d1. I didn't see this move. That pretty much answers it then. The knight's gonna have to come back to defend the pawn. I don't like it. That's one thing I love about Twitch. They do not take that super seriously. Yeah, I agree. That's probably the deal, man. Now, oh my God. This doesn't win a pawn. This trades a pawn for a pawn. This pawn, but wait a minute. Oh, then I can't come back here. I feel like I need to do this now. No, he's not. Oh, he could come here. Here takes. When he can't really attack this square. I could maybe bring the king. I like the idea of trading this pawn for this pawn, though. No, if I do this, though, he could play king up. This way. That gives him the knight d1 move, though. We talked about that. That's bad. That's really bad. This way. I gotta move. I just moved because I moved because it gets to the point where you've looked at so many things. Yeah. No. You know what happened? I guarantee what happened. I couldn't even hear it, but someone's mic was open and they were going la 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 la. They were doing something, and I guarantee in the background that their freaking little brother was playing some soccer game, FIFA or something on, or maybe they were watching a soccer match. It was something to do with soccer, and like I was freaking streaming soccer or something. You know what I'm saying? Is this blunder? This allows the fork. That's bad. So we probably then will come here. You could come to here. We'll have to defend somehow. Okay. Doesn't let me in. Hit the knight. And then knight here should win a pawn. No, he can defend it. He can defend it now with the knight. With this knight. Darn it. I could come in here, though. It doesn't do anything. So. Bishop. My king. My king needs to get into the game, guys. Yeah, and so that happens to people on a daily basis. It happens not to me. It happens to other people on a daily basis, though. It doesn't happen to me on a daily basis, but it does happen. Now you should come back. So when I come up, he threatens a fork again. You should just come right back and take his draw because I have the protected passer. I'm up a pawn. Oh gosh, he wants to come this way. Okay. Ooh. Pushes. If I come here. Bring the king, folks. I don't know what to do. But that I see that happen all the time. People are like, "Oh my god, I keep getting copy strict," and there's a way to go about it. I didn't challenge that one. That one I didn't challenge. I couldn't hear it, but there was an open mic, so I figured don't challenge that one. Just go with the program. Say, "Okay, great, bring it down." Just take it down. Now he wants to go over after this, like here. And I defend it. Then he can come here. Wait. He's attacking it. I'm defending it. You shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should have done a re-attack. And I lose. Yep. It's a lot of knights. No! I wanted to win this. I wanted to do it, guys. I wanted to play good. Here takes... Where resign. And we're going to take a quick look at this one, folks. We got to get something out of this, man. Yeah, so Lucas, I'm actually streaming on Twitch, on YouTube, and on, believe it or not, on Twitter. I didn't even know you could. It was on the list. I'm like, yeah, go there too. Whatever. I don't freaking. Let me look. Is there anyone watching on Twitter? I've got Twitter right here. 0 viewers on Twitter. Doesn't tell me how many on Twitch. 109 minutes. We're almost 2 hours in. 2 watching on YouTube. You love it, folks. That's stream hours, though, man. That's hours, not just stream hours. Watch hours. Watch hours. Okay, let's look at the opening here. F4 is the 4th most common move, but it's only 24 played versus knight F3 is 21,000. F4. Place here. Knight F3. D6. Knight C3. There we go, and no one played that move. See, this move H6, guys. Why would you play this move? Well, maybe he wants to keep my knight out. But why? Just play knight F6. It's a number 1 move. Knight F6. Then if I'm coming in, you just castle. Say, well, nice knight. You know what I'm saying? That's why H6 is such a bad move. It's a terrible move. All the moves in this position. Knight F6. Bishop G4 pinning. Great move. A6. Useful. Because this knight can actually jump to a freaking square. It's going to do something. Maybe. Also threatens to expand with B5. A6 is a useful move. And Bishop E6. Blunting. Great. But this move is just not smart, guys. I knew when I saw it. Remember, I was like, that's what I needed. I needed him to waste a move. Well, that's what he did. Okay, so let's see then. Get back to the review. I'm better the whole game, almost winning until it gets equal. And I don't even see at the end. It might still be equal. Ooh. Missed an opportunity to win material. There's no way. Win material. It's not here. That's a blunder. Win material. This is under attack, man. Check. Just win the pawn. Okay, well, I saw that idea. But oh yeah. Same thing. I just saw the move late. I played bishop back, but a bishop check. If he plays this move. That's not good. We just play Bishop E2. Okay, so we're not winning material. But it said you lost. You missed a chance to win material. Let me see. Right here. It's plus 2.4. This is plus 0.94. But because C6 is just bad because C6 Bishop E2. And the knight just sucks, which kind of it was similar, man. Okay, but still, got you. Okay, so in this position, I'm supposed to play the bishop b5 check, queen takes, and knight takes, as I played in the game. But I did it a move late. Finally sees it. Now it's not even good. Here, takes. 95. Now, CB5. H5, 95. F5. Okay, well, these are ideas. These are ideas. Best, good, mistake. I'll just play F5. That's weird, though. You know what I mean? Messing up the pawns. But I guess this one is kind of backwards-ish. I don't know if we're gonna get the. Because if takes C5 and rook F7. Can't castle, guy. +3. Okay. Okay, back to the review. Let's get to the end and see, find the bigger mistakes we made. Because I had this game. I was doing fine. That was a mistake. Next. It wanted me to do this before. The knight was trapped, guys. Do you guys see it? Do you see it? I think the knight's trapped, man. I'm attacking it. If takes, still trapped. Rook d3 takes, and he's got 3-1. A4 is kind of a way to try and slow down these pawnsters. Pawnsters, they're pawnsters, guys. When you have 3-1, I call them pawnsters. I don't want them to turn into monsters, folks, but they're pawnsters. Gotta be careful with these fools. Instagram. Dude, I don't even know. I don't know why I'm getting pop-ups on Instagram pop-up. Well, I posted on Instagram that I was coming live here. And I guess they're just responding to my post. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and now we're just playing chess again. We're up a piece, though. The knight was trapped. Tactics, folks. It wanted f5 still. Wow. f5 is the maneuver. It's crazy. That's good. a4 was best. Okay, here. That's good. Bishop c3 is best. Okay, I don't get it. That was best. Hey, I found a3. I found a3, folks. Last game, knight h4 was a good one, too, to find. But I found it on a replay. I didn't find it. I brought the last rook. f5. Inaccuracy. It wants rook d8. Let me do it from here. Wait. It's not. Let's go back. It was here. This move here it doesn't like. You missed an opportunity to trade pieces. Okay. Show the moves. Okay. Retry. Let me go to hint. Right? Takes. You trade off equal material. Show the moves. Okay, so the passer, protected passer is just not that big of a deal to Stockfish, I'm guessing. To me, I don't know. Pretty freaking huge, guys. What did I eat? I didn't eat too much. I gotta make a little something. I could go rob the bar, man. I mean, for food. Next. That's a great move. It's +2. You trade off equal material. One good move and you found it. This is the blunder. This move doesn't work. Is it this move? Nope, that gives it the pawn. So what's the move? Oh, I gotta defend the pawn, I guess. Defend the pawn and attack. No? Okay. It wants me to defend an unprotected piece this way? Knight E1 and it's +4? Huh! Huh! Dude, the backward knight move. And I guess, is it because it gives me enough time before this knight can, like, get to this, some square to attack it or something? Like here. Like, bing, 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 bing. Attacking, and if I take, I'm probably in trouble. Knight E1. Okay, king f2 is a great move. It's still +3. All right. It's a mistake. There's only one good move, and it goes like this. You have reached the limit of concurrent analyses. Please wait for your other requests to finish. Chess.com, be careful. Watch it. Watch yourself, chess.com. Wanna get caught lipping off too much. You know what I'm saying? So, this move. And it's +2 still. Because I'm gonna come here. Oh, well, he gets knight b3. Knight h4 wins this pawn we spoke of. Knight b d4 check. King d3. Wow. He had to do that? b3. That's an exclam, because if takes, he queens, I can't stop him. So everything's okay. That's brilliant, by the way. So now we try and distract. e6, g5. Takes, knight g6. Now this is a hanger. Knight e6. Knight e7, check. We get this pawn. It's calling this an equal position, folks. Should be draw. Should be grandmaster move. Should be draw. So the fork wasn't good. Bring the king. Our maximum number of restream viewers, guys. Is that not amazing? We can hey, guys, shh. My landlord's putting up the Christmas tree lights. That's gonna be good. It's very festive. It's very festive. Yeah. See shadows. It's gonna be cool. Okay. Is there anything we can watch? Dropstone DP. Who is this? Who is this mysterious 3K? Ah, this is David Paravian. This guy's training. He's practicing. Oh, is he practicing? He's practicing for Hikaru Nakamura, guys. Because this is the guy that has to play Nakamura. Like in a week or something. That's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be crazy. Well, guys, I did it. I did it like people say. Ooh, are there 5 people watching on Twitch right now? There's absolutely no way. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We stream chess normally Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Central Texas Time. On Facebook Gaming. I have a very successful chess stream there. If you're at all interested, gonna want to check it out. The problem is today I couldn't get live there. There was a little bit of something was a little glitchy. Not a problem. Nothing we can't. We've been live. We have been Facebook gaming partner since June. We've been streaming there more than every day, more than an average of once a day for sure. For 2 years. Yeah, we're actually setting up a 12-hour stream. If we have to do it here, we'll do it here. But we got to do it there. But we're celebrating 2 years. And that's coming this weekend. We got to do a workshop, too. How the hell am I supposed to do a workshop? We'll figure it out. Ooh, black is okay. And he wins with the checks. Yeah, he wins with the checks. That's one thing I love about Twitch. Okay, yeah. They don't take that stuff too seriously. Got you. Looking at Twitter, 0 viewers. Twitch, 4 viewers. Say hello if you're on Twitch. YouTube, 1 watching. Cool. One. Cool. Do we break the record of concurrent though, guys? Right now, the maximum concurrent that we had was 8. It should be 9. Nope, it's still 8. It's okay. I don't even care. It's just cute. It's cute to look at these the numbers. Be humble, guys. A lot of people, man, they stream. They have nobody watching, right? So it feels good to at least go live. If I could not have gone live at all today because I have no choice because Facebook is not letting me go live, I would have been bummed. I would have been bummed out, guys. 1000% would have been bummed. Jazzbox 12 with the follow. Jazzbox, thank you. You absolutely love to see that. Ooh, I could even go to I can open up one of these fools because my friend Streamlabs knows how to keep track of notifications. There might be some really cool notifications here on Streamlabs with all the multiple platforms that we're streaming on right now, folks. And I want to get that D-Live going, man. Why not? Yeah, man. Jazzbox 12 on Twitch, Andrew Mills on Twitch, Lewd Antics on Twitch, and as of 41091 on Twitch. Thank you guys, man. Yeah, actually, it's funny. One of those was 7 hours ago. Azza followed on Twitch a long time ago. We didn't get any YouTube followers today, man. What's up with that? What is up with that, folks? Is there anything we can stream more fun on Twitch that we can't do on Facebook? Not really. Nothing I want to do. I pretty much do what I want to do. I'm able to do what I want to do, so I don't have to like worry about stuff. I'm not looking for opportunities here. I really wish Facebook would just get it resolved so I could go live there, and you know, we continue to build that's where the big community is. But we may need to just start building community over here too, folks. Not doing that. So I really appreciate the I had no idea how to get 4 Twitch follows. Yeah. I did get a I believe I got a strike last night for proximity chat, but the reason why is some kid was going la 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 in the background. His mic was open and I couldn't hear anything, but I guarantee you, I'm doubling up, guys. I guarantee you that there was something playing in the background. It said there was a copyright game in the background. Something FIFA, is that, or is that actually like, or was that like, were they listening to that real, isn't there a soccer game going on right now or something? Guys, you guys know me. I'm not the sport guy. But it definitely did tell me, yo, you definitely, ooh, okay, wait. Okay. Yep. It's starting to ask me questions. Yep, and they're starting to answer. Yep, they sent me one, and then they sent me another one. So I'm probably should get my butt to focusing on focus on what's real, folks. But thank you guys. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. Come follow us on Facebook, guys. Charlie Sardo Gaming. That's where we stream most of the time. But we are building communities here and getting footholds here in case we need to move to Twitch or YouTube or both. And we are at YouTube now. I'm probably going to go and play guitar a little bit later. It's going to be tricky, guys. It's going to be tricky. I'm going to give you guys a little, well, I'm not going to go too deep into it, actually. But something I never told, I didn't tell Facebook. I didn't tell even supporters. I might have hinted at it. But you few people that are here get a little bit more of the, you're going to get a little more direct hint about what's going on in my life right now. But the reason why I'm bringing it up is because I want to go play guitar. It's a gig. It's not too far away. Full band. From they play music from 4 to 8, and they have free food. All I got to do is walk in with a guitar and an amp. I can have free food. Play music with most likely my friends. I think my friends might be hosting tonight. I'm not sure. If not, I'll make new friends. Right? But I'm on a streak right now. I'm on a streak. And Thursday night was really hard. And Friday night was kind of hard. But I'm on a streak and I'm counting days. Going to the bar is not going to make it easy to keep that streak, if you know what I mean. And I'm doing this for myself. I'm doing it for everything, I guess. I'm doing it for my life and I guess everyone around me. Huge problems. Not really. Life's been pretty good, but I'm trying to make it better. And we have Doro. So today, I think today is day 6. Today is day 6, guys. And I didn't quit smoking. Today's days. You know I quit smoking like 7 months ago. Ooh, I'm hearing noises out there. Couldn't be my girlfriend. Very close. But I don't want to go out there because I think he's doing the lights right now. At my house, it's a trip, guys. My house is really quiet. You hear a car, it's like, whose car is that? You hear a door close, door open. Whose car is that? What you call it is that? You know what I mean? Let me see. Let's take a chat overlay. Frankly, yep, that's it. Okay, default scale. It's got opacity 2, background opacity. This is background opacity. Ooh, I see. Yeah, something like that could work. This is just a pretend idea, folks. But there are ideas. This is funny because it has all kinds of theme, default compact. I like default compact better. Oh, the background, I think. Chat background opacity. Probably gonna need. Is opacity? How do you even say that, guys? Ooh, there's a size. Huh. Ooh, can I just launch one from here? Copy this in OBS, right? You can also open it in a browser. Okay. Okay, so here. I'm gonna go to add. I think we have to go to browser. We have to go to browser, guys. Added a browser. Should this be all chat? It's called all chat. Cool. Now I gotta put this here. Wait for it, and then we're gonna see if we can put a chat, an all chat for the multi-streaming situation. There we go. URL. Bada bing, watch this. Okay. Where is it? Here it is right here. Okay. Reviews. Okay. Chat settings. Now, shut that. Now let me type a chat and see. Yo. Okay, I typed that there, and there it goes. Okay, so you guys could probably see that chat. Now, how it's like, what do they do? What do they do? How do they do it? How do they do it? They're like, this is chat. I probably would be able to read my chat from here. And this actually, yeah, no idea the best way. No idea the best way to put a chat. I'd have to make my. It's like, you know, everything's got to change, guys. Everything's got to change. Probably not gonna worry about this chat right now. But there is options for this chat where when people talk, it says Restream said yo. No, that should say Charlie Sardo Gaming said yo. Okay, well, we can all chat. We can shut that. That's fine. This guy, Dropstone DP, he is the guy that's going to be playing Hikaru Nakamura in a few days. He is 3,000, guys. He's 3,000. But it says I sent one to but it doesn't send chats to Twitter. Streaming to little Twitters. Anyone watching on Twitter? 0 viewers on Twitter. That's cute. There's one like, one looks like one comment. Yeah, and that was already me. Okay. Well, guys, there's 2 hours, man. 2 hours of Charlie Sardo Gaming. Okay, on Twitter. I have 12 followers on Twitter. Go to my Twitter, guys. It's at Gaming Sardo, or you can find it, I think, by saying Charlie Sardo Gaming. You want to get in all. You guys want to copy. You want to get involved with everything we're doing, guys. Not because I just want everyone on everything. It's because you guys are very valuable to me, and if I can't go live on one platform and reach you guys, I need to be able to reach you guys on another platform. We can't have all our eggs in one basket. That's why you're going to follow on YouTube and you're going to follow on Twitch, Charlie Sardo Gaming. Twitter's not a bad idea. Instagram, I don't post on those things all day, every day. I really don't, guys. But yeah, Twitter's kind of a trip right now, man, because all the baloney's going on it. So check it. And proximity chat was something out of my control, man. But there's no way they could freaking ban me for one freaking proximity chat. Yeah, I don't know, man. We're gonna find out, though. I'm gonna get back to the emails because it's asking me questions. It's saying, okay, now I already sent them some info. Now they want more info. That's awesome. That's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go get back on emails, guys. All right. I might be able to go live from the Charlie Sardo band and just do some music. That could be fun. That could be fun, man. All right, guys. I'm gonna end this stream. How do you end it? Coder. Edit destinations. Set up what you like to do. Your subscription is active. Okay. Bang. Embed stream. Okay. Keyframe interval. Bang, bang, bang. Advanced resolution. Live bitrate is out of recommended. Less than 4K. And I said it. Okay, so I literally need to lower that again. Edit destinations. I think this is where I end, guys. Okay, I just shut off the one for the D live. Now I think I just shut them off, man. I think we just shut them off, guys. I'm gonna shut off. Who do we shut off first? Twitter. Goodbye, Twitter. I'm shutting you off first. And Twitter should be over. Good. Who do we take next? There's been so many people on Twitch today versus YouTube. I am going to let Twitch have the win, even though YouTube is the one we probably really need to be focusing on. So, guys, get on the Charlie Sardo Gaming YouTube. Follow me there. We got 500 followers there. We can get monetized at 1,000. Plus, we need view hours, which will come from me doing this. All right? So, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go edit a video that they made me take down from Facebook. And we'll just drop that up here, too. It'll be, or I'm going to edit it, though. It's a good video, too, actually. It's putting our 83 or some points in our Call of Duty Battle Pass. Opening stuff up. It's fun. So, I'm shutting YouTube off first. But YouTube, I think you're the future. But right now, the present is Facebook, and that's where we are committed to. I got to get back to those emails. And get my Facebook back on track, and I'll be live there as fast as I can. I love you guys. That you can follow me there, everywhere. Charlie Sardo Gaming. Okay, guys, Charlie Sardo Gaming. It's at Gaming Sardo on Twitch, but I think you can still find me with Charlie Sardo Gaming. Freaking love you. I mean on Twitter. Freaking love you guys. Okay, I'm shutting off. I said YouTube first.